Okay, here we go. You always do distributive property first. Additive inverse, additive inverse. There, get negative 2x plus a negative 3. Add 2x, add 2x. 18x plus a negative 8. Add 8, add 8. 18x equals to 5. Divide by 18, divide by 18. X equals 5 over 18. One solution, right? Do the same on the other ones. Okay. Here, translate 9 units down. How does the length of the image compare to this length of the side of the pre-image? Okay, let's go 9 units down. Count 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So letter H. Count 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Letter T. And then from there it's 6 over, right? Okay. Letter N. Prime, remember the prime to show its image, like that? Okay. How does the length of the image compare to the length of the pre-image? How does this length compare to this length? It's the exact same, right? We counted 9, 9. Okay. When they're the exact same, we call that congruent. They are congruent. Okay. Rotate it 180 around the origin. How would the length inside of the image compare to pre-image? 180. Remember, it stays the same. So T is, I should have put numbers here, 1, 3. So it's 1, 3 here. T double prime. And then H is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 right over here. H double prime. N is 3 over. Right there. Reflect over the y-axis. Here's the y, reflect, counting over. Oh, I hope you guys remember this. H here, H triple prime, T here, triple prime, means this is your third image, and then N, 6 over this way. There we go. How would the length and side compare? They're congruent. Okay, they're the same. How did the side compare? They're all the same. They're congruent. By rotating it, by reflecting it, by sliding it, does not change the shape in any way. It keeps it congruent, keeps the length. How would the length of the side? If the side's still the same, we count 9, 9, 9. They're all the same. They're all congruent. 9, 9, 9, 6, 6, 6. They're all congruent. Write an equation for the line segment. Oh, I don't think we'll do this. NH. Okay, write an equation for it. The equation, oh, I gave you the coordinates already. NH. So N to H, we want to write an equation for that line right there. Into y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1, right? Find the slope, find the rate of change. M equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. M equals to 3 minus 12 over negative 7 minus a negative 1. M equals negative 9 over negative 6. M equals to 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 is here. X minus x1 is negative 1. Y minus 12. Plus 3 over 2. Add 12, add 12. Well, 3 over 2 is also the same thing as 1.5. So y equals to 3 over 2x plus 13.5. That's your equation. Determine the length of each side of triangle NHT. Oh, determine the length of each side. Oh, I should have done that first. That says A, huh? N to T equals to 6. T to H is 9. Okay, then H to N is how long? Well, we don't know. A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. 6 squared plus 9 squared equals to C squared. 36 plus 81 equals to C squared. Okay, the square root. Oops. Oh, this is important. Let's see. Calculator. Square root of 117 equals. We'll round it to the nearest tenth. The 6 we don't want, so that becomes, 81 becomes 82. So it's 10.82 equals to C. C is 10.82 units. Okay, so congruent line segment. Congruent line segment. AB is congruent to AB is congruent. That's that symbol. Line BD, BE. They're both 8. congruent, you always have to have that symbol there. Line, these are lines. Okay, and line BC is congruent to EF. Okay, and AC is 10, BF is also 10. AC is congruent to DF. Corresponding sides, AB corresponds to DE. Corresponding sides are congruent sides. BC corresponds to EF. AC corresponds to DF. Okay, that's how that works. What would you predict to be true about the length of corresponding side and congruent of a congruent triangle? They are congruent. That means they're the same. Notice, AB is the same as DE, 8 and 8. They are congruent. Oh my goodness. Let's explore the properties of congruent triangles. Graph 8, 10. 1, 2. A, B, 8, 2, right there. C. Okay, determine the length of AB. Oh, the length of AB, we can't count that one, so we need to use Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, let's do that. 10 units to the left and form triangle DEF. Okay, find that length. Anyways, so that's 6. Eight. So 6 squared plus 8 squared equals C squared. Take the square root. C is 10. It's 10 there. Identify the pair of corresponding side triangle ABC and corresponding sides and triangle DEF. Okay, DEF. We need to do DEF. Jeez Louise. DEF. 10 units to the left. So count 10. It's 8, 10 right there. That's D. E is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 right there. E. Then F is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 right there. F. D, E, F. Right there. Okay. Side AC corresponds to which side? AC corresponds to DF. BC, B to C right here corresponds to E to F. AB, 10, DE. Write a congruent statement. Triangle ABC is congruent to, it's a statement, triangle DEF. That's a congruent statement. So you need to remember sides. These are sides. These are angles. And statements are the whole triangles. Okay? That's how you remember them. Identify the transformation to use to create this one. It's a reflection over the x-axis. This is, put a mirror right here. It's a reflection over x-axis. Identify the congruent symbol, sides, side. Okay, let's see the sides. This is side AB. How long is that? 4. Side AB is congruent to side XZ. And we put this line on top of them to represent side. Okay, side BC, it's 6. It's congruent to BC is congruent to XY. AC, ZY. Write a congruent statement. Triangle ABC, ABC, it's a statement. Congruent to ZXY. Triangle. Okay, that's a congruent statement. So you try these on your own. I'll tell you, identify the transformation. This is 90 degrees to here. So counterclockwise, 90 degrees. Counterclockwise, or 180, 0, 90, 180, 270. Oh, 270 clockwise. Okay, and then congruent sides. These are sides. Remember, side, side. EF is congruent to this side. EF is GH. Okay, like that. And this is a statement. You don't have to do a statement for this one. That wouldn't be right. And we've done a lot of these. So that's it for tonight. For me, anyways.